How to log into Delta Airlines account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Delta Airlines and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, delta.com. Click on it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, now at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login. Click on it. With that, login page will appear. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in the number or username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password or username, you can click on these options given over here and then recover it. After you fill this, click on login, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Delta Airlines account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.